Cortibomb, you're gonna want 2 Cortibombs. Oh, here's a secret. You know that Abreva stuff that's over the counter? Abreva has an active ingredient, it's called docosahexaenol. Docosahexaenol is a long-chain fatty acid. It shows to reduce how long a cold sore lasts by 18 hours. Guess where they find it? Beeswax. A clean beeswax, 23% of it is docosahexaenol. Cortibomb's got petroleum jelly, beeswax, mineral oil. Burt's Bees, beeswax. They all have that beeswax in there, so that Abreva ingredient, docosahexaenol, it's found in beeswax, so they just took the beeswax and made it a little stronger. Cortibomb's got hydrocortisone in it to reduce inflammation, the beeswax, and then we're gonna take L-lysine. Now, you should be taking oral L-lysine too. You should be taking 500 milligrams of least twice a day if you get routine cold sores. I don't, but I believe it's because the good Lord loves me. So for our recipes, we're gonna take the 500 milligrams of L-lysine, put it in there. Crunched up. Now, 2 of the Cortibombs. I thought it'd be fun to make them go up and down, that's why I got 2 of them. It'd be a little bit hard to work with, so we're gonna put it in the microwave now. 15 seconds should do it. That beeswax just a teeny bit. Squish that L-lysine right into the Cortibomb. Now, phenol and zinc. We're gonna do that by adding a little camelseptine. A teaspoon. Mix. Right there, you've got everything you can get over the counter for a cold sore. Right, mixed in that. L-lysine, docosahexaenol, which is beeswax, which they just got it through the FDA and charged a ton. Zinc and camphor and phenol, all mixed in one. I do have Amazon finds now, so there's a link in my bio to go to the Amazon. There's only one other thing I wanted to add to it. Sometimes they hurt real bad. If yours hurts real bad, we're gonna make a special sauce. So hurricane gel. But hurricane gel is 20% benzocaine. And I love the hurricane gel, and you can add it right to this recipe. So if yours hurts and it stings and burns, add a teaspoon of the hurricane. Now, L-lysine, check. Benzocaine, check. Docosahexaenol, check. Zinc, check. Camphor and menthol, check, check. Whatever one you like, it's in there, plus the other stuff. So just mix them all together by yourself.